Is your 2019-2021 Hyundai Veloster Smart Key not working? A dead battery is the likely culprit. This video provides a concise guide to safely replace it yourself. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or coin and a new CR20032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery, costing $2 to $5. First, locate the notch on the key fob. Gently pry open the fob, separating the two halves. Remove the old battery, noting the positive side's orientation. Positive side up. Insert the new battery with the positive side facing up, matching the original orientation. Snap the fob back together firmly. Test the buttons to ensure it's working. If it fails to work, the key may need reprogramming. Avoid touching the battery terminals or circuit board to prevent electrostatic discharge damage. Incorrect battery polarity is a common mistake that can lock the vehicle and require a dealer reprogram, costing $50 to $100 or more. If you encounter issues after replacement, a dealer reset might be needed to sync the key with the vehicle's immobilizer, especially in N-line trims. Some users report premature battery drain in colder climates. Consider storing keys in a Faraday bag when not in use to prevent parasitic drain. While DIY replacement is generally successful, user error is common, so be cautious. If unsure, seek professional help to avoid costly ECU resets. High-quality batteries can extend life and are available at most auto parts stores.